So we've got Mary River Cod here. We're putting them in the throughout the catchment to replace the extinct Brisbane River Cod. So we've had teams going all over the valley today. We're not saying specifically where, but all over the place with some bags. There's pure oxygen in there with that, super saturated. Just been sitting this bag in the water for a bit to equalise these temperatures. And where I'm at, I'm standing on rock, and just off out of the shot there's some rock bars here, overhanging trees. So a really good structure for these fish to go. I'm just going to let them go into these rocks right here. Get a bit of water out of the river. And these guys, I'll actually keep that video going so I don't fall over. I'm going to hold them up to right up to the camera. You can see them swimming around. They're very lively. Gorgeous little things. I'll get them back in the drink. Wow, that rock's slippery. Bit more river water. Into those rocks they go. I can see them here, they've gone straight to the bottom. They're sitting on those granite rock in there. They'll slowly just adapt, have a look around, and then they'll make their way off and find their own little place to live. See you guys.